Wild J chose to paint his car pink.
Gay!
Ever since Miller painted his car pink, the bees are loving it.
Ay, no es bueno.
Like brand new bolts. We just got his floor in, and there's already a Mountain Dew can in here. So we're once again painting Miller's transaxle. All right, we're back. For me, it's been a while since I worked on this because we ended up getting hit by a tornado, so I've been cleaning up from that. Here's some footage of it.
Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle.
So what we're doing is we're gonna jump in here and start fabricating his dash up. We're gonna start punching the holes in it, installing the gauges and the switches, probably plumbing in some brake lines, and then maybe even start stringing some wires and actually maybe mount the shocks up. Just start putting the car back together. So we're trying to figure out where we want to place his gauges up in here. We're probably going to end up doing something like that. In true Wild J fashion, he orders up a bunch of parts from China. It just came in. You want your buggy to run good? Order directly from China. That's how to do it. They only make the best quality stuff. You know? Only the best for hammer time here. So we may refer back to this clip right here when the switches fail, because they're pretty chintzy. But that's the Wild J way.
And that's the Wild J way.
So for the switches, we're going to try to stack them up like that, one above the other. It might be a little offset, but...
Well, you know my name is Simon, and I like to do drawings.
Always with the Chinese switches.
I like to draw all day long, so come and do drawings with me. Come and do drawings with me. Hello, my name is Simon. I like to do drawings.
So it'll be speedometer, tach, oil pressure, ooga gauge, fuel, volts, switches. There you go. What's an ooga gauge, you ask? You're about to find out. Something like that.
Oh crap! Prepare to jump into hyperspace on my mark.
All right, stand by.
It's a trap!
Here we go. Here we go. New Wild J dash. We got the bottom piece to his dash. Just for Miller, we left the bunny on there. Just because Wild J, the ladies' man.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man.
We'll leave a clip here of Wild J impressing the ladies.
The wild wiener!
Okay. Well, Miller, your Chinesium screw is already stripped out. So we'll have to get something different, but... There we go. Miller, this is actually your most important gauge. You need oil pressure. You've seen what happens when you don't have oil pressure. I wonder if Miller's checked his oil yet. Probably not. So there you have it. A new Wild J Dash. Start putting the roof on because I keep bumping my head on it. Alright, Miller. Just because I know how much you said you didn't like this roof anymore, it's going back on. Wild J was going to run a pride flag on account of the pink car, but he hasn't bought one yet. And now we're gonna put the shocks on. Alright, we got the shocks on. Clutch. Brake. We got some brand new hardware for his pedals. We are getting brake lines bent up. There. Just made the perfect bubble flare. Guess where the fitting is? We are going to feed it all the way around the spool. Just like that. Boom. Wait. Okay, brake lines are boring to watch. However, brake lines sound like bass lines, so... All brake lines. You owe me a can of brake fluid, Miller. I don't know why I'm getting his brakes ready. There's enough trees in the woods to stop them.
And that's the Wild J way.